What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to FS2S. Today marks the very beginning of the Suburban build. Today I'm going to be spending probably most of the day making many small, cheap improvements to the Suburban. Just to keep you guys updated, some of you might know that I added another build to the channel, which is this 2007 Suburban. I have massive plans for it, just like the dually. But first I need to do a few little things in order to make it just a little bit more appealing. So to start right off, I feel like the side steps and the front air dam really make the truck look very low to the ground. It kind of makes it look more like a van or something. So I'm going to start by taking all those parts off. For the most part, it's just a few bolts along the steps, and then they just kind of slide right off. As for the air dam, it's just one bolt on each side, and then you just kind of have to pop it out of the little slots. After removing the front air dam, I noticed that the little slots that it slid into are really noticeable. You could see it right away, so I'm just going to take a Dremel and actually cut those off and sand it all down and make it nice and smooth. Okay, so with the side steps removed and the front air dam removed, the Suburban actually looks a lot taller, like a good 3 or 4 inches. I think instantly it just gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look over stock. Now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is swapping out these nasty yellow aged headlights for a brand new pair. I think these are the original stock headlights from back in 2007, and they've definitely seen better days. So let's begin.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Alright, so the next thing I want to do is change up the grill just a little bit. I ordered a set of billet mesh inserts for the grill here, and then I also ordered a set of fog light inserts as well. And here they are. They came with all the necessary brackets and whatnot for install. It actually sounds like it's going to be a pretty easy job, pretty self-explanatory. And then as you can see, here are the fog light inserts to match the grill. And I'm just going to jump right in. It's kind of cool because these overlays just slide over the stock grill and nothing is required to be removed. I just need to center them in place and install the back plates. unfortunately, the fog light inserts, I really couldn't get them to fit, and then I tried to modify a little bit, and I actually ended up breaking one of them. so that's not gonna work for now. But anyways, now that I've removed the side steps, I removed the front air dam, I added the grill insert, got new headlights, I'm ready for the last thing I wanted to do, and this one's huge. Alright guys, so there you have it. I know that this time around there wasn't anything huge going on, but this is only chapter 1 of this build. I remember when the dually was just barely on chapter 1, and now 7 chapters in and it looks completely different. Or even before that, when I had the 6.4 work truck. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Let me know what you think, and as always, be sure to stay tuned because there are massive things happening to this build in the future. Have a good rest of your night, day, or whatever it might be.